So I don't think it's my prop shaft. That looks all fine. Pretty sure the noise is coming from inside the diff. So I've ruined the diesel diff already, which is a pain if it is. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm going to take it off. I want to do this quick as well because it's Sunday and I don't want to be here. This is an absolute pain in the neck. Bastard cars. I don't know if you can hear it there while I'm just spinning the wheels by hand, but when I put the car in gear and drive it on the ramp, the noise sounds like it's coming from back of the diff here really. Check the prop. All of that's alright. Prop is all fine. Yeah, nothing wrong with the prop. That's all still good. So grab some tools and get this diff off, and I'll have to stick my petrol diff back on for now. It's definitely the diff. I can't turn it by hand. Turn it a certain amount and then it locks. Grab the prop. Yeah, locked again. So both drive shafts and prop shaft disconnected. Need to take off the mounts, and this is the one I Loctited in the other day as well, so it'll probably be a pain to get back out. The two top ones, one of them, I think the passenger side, quite bad threads. I'm pretty sure I just wound it in last time, so that'll also be difficult to get out. So yeah, nice. Well, let me make a start on doing these. Definitely the diff anyway. Let's pull the back and plate off and have a quick look inside. I don't know if you can see that. It's just like silver oil. Yeah, you can see the damage. Alright, so new diff on. This is 338 petrol, 318i petrol diff, like 3.38 ratio, maybe 3.45, I'm pretty sure 3.38. So it's going to be really short. I thought the diesel diff was too short at 265. This is definitely going to be too short, but see what it drives like anyway. And I get on the hunt for another diff. I will show you the old diff. It's definitely the diff. Obviously the oil in it looks silver. There was loads of metal on the magnet, but I can see some bits broke off, so I'll give you a look at that now. Yeah, I'll show you the inside of this diff. A bit of pinion gear is broke off, so I'll give you a quick look. I can't get the camera to focus in there. It focuses and everything outside first, but you can kind of make it out. There you go. See where it's missing the gears? I'm missing a big chunk out of the gear. See if I can spin it around. Right, so where that bit is moving, big chunk is missing out of it basically, and that'll just be in the diff, chunked into bits. Yeah, so not sure if the camera was focusing right in there then. I think it was picking up everything else before focusing on the actual gear, but you can see there's a big chunk missing out of it, and that would have been my noise. So I never would have made it anywhere really. I'm surprised I made it over here from the house this morning, about 15 miles. I took it nice and handy, so I'm assuming the noise was every time I hit that bit of a gear it was making a clunk. I'm sure it was prop shaft, but obviously not. I wish it was prop shaft, because that would have been much easier to sort out. This diff now, it was hard enough to get one of these in the first place, and also I think it was like 200 quid it cost me, maybe that. So if I have to buy another one for 200 quid and it only lasts 3 months, that's a bit of a pain. So I probably need to look at some sort of upgrade, but there is no real upgrades unless you make something. So may have to do that, but yeah, at least the petrol one is back on for now. I'm going to drain the oil out of this one and stick some fresh oil in it. Yeah, and then I want to go home. Just a quick tip, if you're changing your oil on your diff or your gearbox, anything like that, always make sure you can undo the fill one first. There's no point draining your oil if you can't refill it. These take about a litre, 1.1, something like that. I'd normally use a pump for a diff, but these compacts, if you have it in a small bottle like this, because there's not much of a wheel well, it's easy just to squeeze it in. Squirt out as much as you can out of one bottle and then do the same with the other, and just fill it until it, there you go. Fill it until it comes back out. Right, so I thought that was going to ruin my afternoon, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is. This, when it came out, the fill plug on the diff, it was a little bit stiff, but it came out fine. When I put it back in, it didn't go back in because all the threads were pulled on it. I looked in the backing plate as well, and it looked like the threads were pulled in that, but I thought I'd chance it. Stuck another one in, it's tightened up. So happy enough for now. I have another backing plate. I'll change it at a later date if it leaks. But yeah, that's bright sun. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it there for today. As I said, this is a petrol diff, 3.338. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So like a standard 316, 318 diff. Probably going to be way too short. I was driving it on that diff around the estate when I was originally testing it, and it was alright for spinning wheels and stuff, but I don't know what it'll be like on the road. The 2.65 diesel diff that I broke, I thought that was already too short, so this is probably going to be obviously even worse. Yeah, it's all I have for now, so I'll stick it on it, drive it around, see what it's like, and get on the hunt for a diesel diff, as I said. So if anybody knows of a 318 TDS compact diff, let me know. I'll buy one straight away. 2.65 ratio, and I'm going to start looking into what I can do in regards to putting a bigger diff on it, just so I can handle the power. So yeah, so that's it. Once again, like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. See you next time, and enjoy.